Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can use tags in Joplin. So let's get straight into it. So when you have one important document here or note, you want to save it as that you have on your really quick page that you can find it really quickly. So right here, as you can see right below here, we can click to add tags. So click on that. Now I will add some tags. So I will put it like test, create, OK. And now if I want that um, tag to use, I have here on the left, you see under the tags, I have test. And if I click it, I'm basically redirected exactly to the place where I click to the tag. So as you can see, now I'm here, and this is the node where I put the tag in. So if I want, for example, new node, I have created new node now, and I will put tag right here, new. I will create it, okay. And now if I go to the another node, so this privacy policy, and now I found something interesting right here. I will copy it and go, and I want to copy this thing to the new. As you can see, I just click on the text and I'm right here and place what I copied there. So I hope that this all makes sense how you can use tags. I try to show you in some examples how to do that. If this video helped you out, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.